All right. Threading the Singer. I don't remember which this is. I'll have to look it up to put in the title card. As you can see, there's a spool pin on the back. There is a thread guide on the rear of the machine, and then the thread comes down and around under the plastic cover with the tensioner in it, and then up around the spot where the take-up arm is behind the cover. And there is no thread guide on the needle bar, just threads from front to back. So this machine, you need to make sure that the needle bar is all the way in the up position so that the take-up arm is up inside the machine where it will pick up the thread properly. If the needle bar isn't all the way up, then that take-up arm won't catch the thread when you flip it through the little space. And then loading a bobbin, it's a class 66 bobbin. It should unwind counterclockwise, and then you pull the thread through the tensioner groove from right to left, and then up across the top of the bobbin.